So we are discussing the concept of packages. So we are discussing the packages. So package is nothing but a collection of classes and interfaces. So we have broadly packages are two types: user-defined packages and predefined packages. So already we have seen the creation of user-defined package and importing that package into our application program. And then we are discussing the predefined packages. So in the previous sessions, we have discussed about the language package as well as util package. We have discussed the language package as well as util package. So language package consists of so many classes and so many interfaces. So among them, the most important classes are math class, object class, wrapper classes, and enum class. So we have discussed all these important classes. And then we have discussed the util package. So util package also consists of so many classes and so many interfaces. So among them, formatter class as well as scanner class and then random class. So these three are the most widely used classes in util package. So we have discussed all these classes in detail. So we have gone through some example programs also. So then another important package is time package. So for usage of time and date, we have a special package intended for only only time and date purposes. So that package name is time package. Import java dot time. Import java dot time. This is the time package. This is also most widely used in our day-to-day applications. So time package also consists of so many classes and so many interfaces. So let us see what are the classes available. Already we have discussed. Let us revisit again. Also, we have seen some terminology: instance, time zone ID, zone offset. So like that, we have seen some terminology regarding the times. And then let us see the classes of time package. So there exist so many classes in time package. The most important one is instant. Instant is a class, generates date time representing the instantiations movement. That means we can edit the data. Suppose today's date is 9/6/2021. So if you want to increase the date to 1 month, or increase the date to 10 days, or increase it by 1 year, so that can be possible by using the instant class. So this is very very important in time package. Instant. Then local date is a class which displays the local time zone respect to date, and then local date time. So it comes along with the time also: hours, minutes and seconds. Then local time, if you want only time, we can get the time also. So then period, we have seen the period class also. We have seen the period class also. Period means it's some duration. That means 2 years, 6 months, 10 days. The duration. So this duration will be added to the current date. So if you want to edit the date, this can be possible by using the period class. Period means the duration. How many days, how many months, how many years should be added to the current date. That can be possible by using the period class. So like this, we have so many classes. So already we have seen the demo of local class, local time, local year, local date and time. So that programs have discussed. And then we have seen some prefix methods also. So prefix methods, that is the most widely used prefix methods are of, minus, plus. Of, minus, plus. So minus means the hours or seconds are decreased. Suppose now the time is 12:45, 55 seconds. So if you want to decrease the time to 10 seconds, means that can be possible with by using the prefix prefix method minus. If you want to increase the time means you can add the plus method. So off is an instantiation, off is an static method. So the main purpose of off is it makes a static method for creating a instance of a class. The validated input values are not set. So that means any method can be, suppose for example, take some example. Suppose time, take the add. So add dot off, add dot off. So it means that this is a method. So this off method is added to any other existing methods. So that can be possible. So off, add dot plus hours, plus minutes, minus seconds. Like that, we can add any of these prefix methods to the existing methods. So this is the importance of prefix methods, and we have seen some programs also. So next one. So next one, we will discuss the instant class. The very important class is instance class. So before going to that, we can check the one program. So let us check this program. So this is the program to illustrate the concept of year month class and day of week, local date, month. So these are the available classes in the time package. Available classes in the time package. So we are discussing the time package. So in the time package, there exist so many classes. So among them, we are going to use the year month class, day of week class, local date class, month class. So already we have seen month and local date and year month. So this is not a day of week. So let us see what this class exists. So let us see the program. So main class, main method, okay. Then I am displaying something, system.out.println. So local date, the class name is local date here. Local date is a class. So class name dot off. So we are using the prefix method. Prefix method off. We can directly use the prefix method off. Local date dot off 2015 month dot January. So this, so if you want to print the 2015 26th January 2015 date, if you want to print the date, so that can be possible by using this syntax. We cannot give directly the January. We have to give month dot January. So it should be a capital letters. The January, February month name should be capital letters. Why? Because these are the some constant values. So these are some literals. These are some literals. Enum. These are the enum values. That's why these values must be uppercase letters. So month dot January. If you want to access the February, month dot February. If you want to access the April, month dot April. So this can be possible by using the off prefix method. Local date dot off. So you can get this date. Next, we are creating some object. So the object name is DOW1, DOW2 of type this one, day of week. Day of week. So that means a day of week means in that week we have day 1, day 2, day 3. That means let us take this one. Day 1 means Monday. Day 2 means Tuesday. Like that, we have so many days. Day 7 means Sunday. Day 7 means Sunday. So like that, we have each day corresponding to some day value. So that means day of week means in a week we have 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. That means if you want to display the day of week, that means 12th week, 3rd day. if you want to print the 12th week, third day. So whether it is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, so that can be possible by using the day of week method. Day of week method. That means in that week, what is that day? Either Monday or Tuesday or Sunday. That can be possible by using this day of week class. So there are some methods in a day of week class. So let us see this one. Local date dot of. So 2015 January 26 dot get day of week. So this is the method. So this is the method available in the day of week class. Day of week class. That's why we have defined the object corresponding to day of week class. So here we get the day, whether it is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. So for example, I have taken 2016 26 January. What is the day? Either Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. That can be printed here. Next, system.out.println, we are printing the day of week on 26 January is we are displaying with the object plus DOW1 plus DOW2. So this is the output. Then we are creating another object of type today, of type year and month, So year and month dot now. So it displays the year and month. That means 2021 06. 2021 06. That will be displayed here. So the output can be displayed with the help of system.out.println number of days in December percentages colon percentage d slash n. Percentage n means next line. Today dot length of the month. So length of the month is the method in the year month class. We have the method length of month. So today's day and month is displayed along with the number of days in that month, either 30 days or 31 days. So that can be displayed with the help of this method. Then I want to display the Independence Day, August 15th. So that can be displayed like this. I am creating an object ind day of type year and month. So year and month dot off. So off is a prefix method. 2015 comma month dot August. So August is a nm constant value. So that's why it is in a capital letters. So that will be displayed here. So let us see the output. Days in August is. So that will be displayed length of the month. How many days in that day? So this is how the time programs in the time will be there. So suppose if you want to display the February 26, February 2016. So that can be displayed by using the year and month. So this this program illustrates the concept of year month class as well as day of week class. So this program illustrates the day of week class and then year month class. So in the previous program we have seen the local date, local time, local date time class. So in this program we are going to implement the day of week class as well as year month class. So let us check the output for this. So in this program, we have so many methods. If you want to use that method, we have to know the class name. So if you know the class name, we can create the object with respect to that class. And then through that object, we can access that methods. So the program name is time2 Java C time2.java. So Java time2. So let us check. Let us check the output. So let us check the output. So the output is first this statement. That means 2015 January 26. 2015 January 26. So that the date will be displayed. So that day is Monday. So day of week means 26 January 2015 date is Monday. That is Monday. Next 2016 26 January date is Tuesday. That is displayed. And the number of days in the December is 30. So in the December 2021, we have 30 days. So in the August 2015, we have 31 days. So we have displayed the number of days here. And then February 2016, we have only 29 days. We have displayed the number of days. So this is the output for this program. So check the output. So this will be displayed for, this is the first statement, second output, third output, fourth line, fifth output, sixth line output. So the main purpose of this program is to illustrate the day of week class as well as year month class. So in the day of week means whether it is a Tuesday or Monday or Saturday. So that can be displayed, that can be used by using the day of week class. Next, year month. So by using the year month, we can have the number of days in the month, number of days in the month, how many days in the November 2015, how many days will be in the 2022 November, like that. We have so many methods to implement. So this is the program to illustrate the concept of day of week method class as well as year month class. So in the previous program, we have seen the local class, local method, local time, local date time classes. So is it okay? So next one, another important class is instant class. So this is the very important class in the time package. If you're familiar with the instant class, you can perform any operations in the instant class. So let us check the what are the available methods in the instant class. So there are some constants defined in this class. There are two constants available in this class, that is min. Second one is max. There are some constants in the instant class, that is min and max. So min is nothing but smallest past instant, largest future instant. So these are the two constants widely used in the instant class. So methods in the instant class. So these are the some of the methods available in the instant class. So first one is after, is before, plus, minus, until. So these are the most widely used methods in the instant class. So is after is nothing but it compares the two time instants. Suppose today's time and tomorrow's time. Today's time and tomorrow's time will be compared here. So that can be possible by using the is after method. So compares, so here also it compares the two time instant. That means is before means, that means plus hours. Is after means minus hours. That means today's, we are comparing the today's date with the tomorrow's date. That means we have to use the is after method. Is after method. So if you want to compare the today's date with the previous date, yesterday's date, then you can use the is before method. Is before method. And then plus. So plus and minus are widely used. If you want to add the plus seconds or plus minus, plus minutes or plus hours, that can be available. If you want to minus hours or minus seconds or minus minutes, we can use the minus. Until is the method which returns the how much time exists between two time instant objects. How much time exists? That means duration. So day 1 to day 2, the duration, how many hours, how many minutes. So that can be possible by using the until method. So these are the some methods in the instant class. So let us have some programming illustrations. So let us see some programs. So this is the program to illustrate the concept of class instant. So instant is a class which is available in the time package. So this is the main class, main method. Okay. Then I am creating an object now, obj1, like obj1 of type instant. Instant dot now. Instant dot now. That means today's present time will be displayed here. Present time will be displayed here. That is the usage of instant. So instant class always returns the output in the seconds only. So instant is nothing but a epoch time. That means starting time. That means January 1st to 1970. So from that time, today's date, that is 9/6/2021. So the duration is calculated by using the seconds only. How many seconds are there from 1970 January 1st to today's? So instant class always returns the time in seconds only. It will not return in hours or minutes. It will return only in the seconds. So we have to convert this seconds into hours or methods manually. So we have some methods to that. So that is the instant. Then I am displaying that. Then I am creating another object before. So I am creating another object before of type instant. So instant dot now. Instant dot now. So what I am doing is I am using the minus prefix method. So minus plus we have seen until. So minus seconds. So I am reducing the time to 600 seconds. Suppose this output displays the time as 15,000. So this is what we are going to do, minus seconds. That means this can be minus 600. That is the output of this. Then so I am creating another object later of type instant. So instant dot now plus seconds. I am adding the plus 900 seconds. I am adding the plus 900 seconds to this one. Then I am comparing this with the original one, boolean b. The output will be stored in the b. So latter dot. So latter means after 900 adding to this, I am adding the 900. So that is stored in the latter. So I am comparing the latter with before. So before time is this one. Latter time is plus 900. So those two are compared. Is after. Those two times are compared. So whether it is true will be displayed. So the return type is boolean. That means true or false will be displayed. So this comparison is true will be displayed. If it is not, false will be displayed. So I am displaying the b value and then system.out.println. So the latter value also I am displaying. So I am displaying the current time, before time, after time. So let us check the output. So program name is instant1 Java instant one. So let us check the output. So first one, I am printing the now value. So now means current time, present time. So 9/6/2021, 07:35:27. That is the time. Next, I am adding the, I am minusing the 600 seconds. So 600 seconds are minus here. Same date, same thing. 600 seconds are minus here. And then Boolean value. Is after value is equal to is before value. Then it displays the true. If it is true, true will be displayed. Next, latter value. So latter value is this one. After performing the plus 900 seconds, this is the current time. So this is the advantage of instant class. So today's time is displayed by using this syntax. Instant now is equal to instant dot now. Instant dot now. Now is a method, prefix method. So simply we can have the today's time and date. So we don't need any local date, local time, local date time. We don't need all these classes. So instant class is itself enough. Instant class is itself enough to display the current date and current time. So that is the advantages of instant class. Instant class. So let us have the another program. So instant 2. So let us see this program. Main class, main method. So here I am using the local date, local time classes. So local date, local time. These are the class names. I am creating an object date. I am creating an object time. So local date dot now means today's date will be displayed. Today's time will be displayed. Local time dot now. Today's time will be displayed. So both are displayed as output, date and time. So this is very clear. Then I am performing this method. Here I am performing this operation. So this method is given date before today's date. So this is the given date. So today's date is displayed with the date command, date object. So date object holds the today's date. So plus date dot is after. So is after is a method used to compare the two time instance. So that is after local date dot off of this one. Given date is 2014 10/50 15/10/2014. So this is the given date. So current date is 9/6/2021. That is the current date. So these two are compared. So these two are compared. So next meeting time is, so I am going to add some extra time to the existing time, current time. That is plus the date plus days. I am adding the 7 days dot at time. I am adding the at time. So at time is a method. So local time dot now. Local time dot now, and I am minusing the hours. I am minusing the 2 hours. Minus hours. Minus hours. So suppose I want to I have a meeting on tomorrow. Today's I have meeting on after 7 days. After 7 days at 11 p.m. At 11 p.m. 11 a.m. That means today now time is 1. Now time is 1. That means before 1 means 12, 2 hours. Before 2 hours. That means minus hours. Minus 2 hours. So the meeting is at after 7 days. after 7 days, that is next Wednesday. So I have a meeting on next Wednesday. So that can be displayed like this, plus date dot plus days, and then we can minus the hours also. So here I have given the local time dot now. That means, so this everything will be performed with respect to the local time. Today's date and time, today's date and time. So all these things plus and minus will be added to today's time. That's why that is added. Next date 20 days after today's days. So 20 days after today's date. That means date plus days 20 plus days. If you want to add the weeks plus weeks. If you want to add the years plus years. So date dot minus days. So if you want to minus the days, if you want to minus the months, that can be possible using the prefix operators plus and minus. So prefix operators plus and minus. So this is the some methods which are used in the instant class. So this is a simple program. So all these programs are meant to have the some operations, some methods on the time and date. That means in time package, so many methods are defined, so many classes are defined. So why? Because the time package is exclusively meant for only to perform some methods or to some logic on date and time, to display the data, to display the time. So the main purpose is to have the current time and current date correctly independent of any architecture or any time zone. So that's why so many methods are added in the time package. So the time package limitations are very little. That's why so many, for each operation we have some method. For each thing we have some method. So that's why. So the main thing is plus weeks, plus prefix method, minus prefix method. Is after, is before. Comparison is after, is before. So now is to display the current date and current date as well as current time. So let us have the output here. So Java instant 2. So this is the output. So we are displaying the current date, first line, current date, current time. Is the given date is before today's date? True. That means we have used the is after method. Then next meeting is 2020 21 6 16. So today's date is 9. So after 7 days means 16 6 2021. So at minus I have given 2 hours. So current time is 13:13. So minus 2 means 11:13. 11:13. So I am adding 20 days to current date. Today's date is 9 6 2021. 20 days means 29 29th 29 6 2021. 2 weeks. I am adding 2 weeks. That means 23 6 2021. I am adding 1 year 2022. I am adding 20 days minus. That means 25 2021. 2 months before, 2 months minus. So 2 months, current is 6th month, 4th month will be displayed, 4th month, 9 4 2021. So this is how we can have the some methods in the time package. So this is the instant class. So this is all about the instant class. So is it clear? So next one is formatting for date and time. So this we can complete in the tomorrow's class. So this will be the end of the packages. So in tomorrow's class, we can complete the packages. So, and we will start the exception handling. So we can start the exceptional handling. So first unit and second unit material are placed in the Edmido group, and then all the programs are placed in the Edmodo group, and then second assignment is also given in the Edmodo group. So second assignment questions are also given, so you can submit within the prescribed date. So you can check the questions, so don't try to submit the others assignment. So submit the assignment within the time. So I have given 6 questions, so submit the assignment within the time. First 2 units material has given, textbook PDFs also given, placed in the Edmodo group. So programs also placed in the Edmodo group, lecture programs under the folder lecture programs. So all the things related to the Java class are placed in the Edmodo group. So you can check the Edmodo group. So third unit, next coming units materials will be displayed soon. So any doubts regarding this? So if you have any class to be listen again, we have the YouTube link also. So all the subjects are placed in the YouTube channel. So you can have the look. You can ask your faculty to share the link. They can share the link, and you can re-listen the classes also. So my classes links are already given in the Edmodo group. So you can access the Java classes. So if you have the link, then only the videos are displayed. So I have placed the link. So the videos are not public. So those who have the link, they can only access the Java classes. So, okay, thank you. We can complete the packages in the tomorrow's class.